You can see this sailboat's all buttoned up, closed up, but I assume somebody's sleeping aboard the boat. You can see that big canvas going across the boom, which is a sunshade to keep the sun off the cabin to help insulate the cabin better in the Florida sunshine. And walking down the dock, you can see this small piece of canvas that's actually fluttering in the wind. And I say fluttering in the wind, there is no wind. But if you look and listen, there's an air blower coming out a vent through one of the port lights. There's the forward port light, the aft port light, and then the middle port light is under that white cover and it's open. And I can only guess they have a portable floor model air conditioner blowing air out that opening. So if your marine water-cooled air conditioner fails, this is a quick, handy-dandy solution to making the boat cool for sleeping immediately. Maybe $200 for the air conditioner and an hour or two devising this little scheme so you can vent out the hot air from the air conditioner, and voila, you have a cool boat to sleep in once again. If you have any ideas about boat systems, check out our Introduction to Boat Systems class in Florida. Ask Captain Chris.